Hey guys and girls, so a quick video today on furnace filters. So I've had this furnace filter for probably 10 years or so, give or take. It's by Web, or The Web, and it's reusable. So you can see that it is collecting stuff. It's supposed to be electrostatically charged. I think it's done a pretty good job. I can't remember what the MERV rating is on this one. It's been so long. I'm going to try to find that out. Maybe put it in the comments or the description. But you know what? I just thought, you know what? Let's try something else. So my local Canadian Tire or big box store, to Americans who wouldn't know that, had these on sale. They were on for $26.99. It was saved 20%. This is the best one that I can see that Filtrete or 3M sells. So it's supposed to handle even viruses and pollen and bacteria and all kinds of stuff, and even take care of some smell too, which I'm fairly sure that this one doesn't. So we're going to try this one, and we're going to do like a side-by-side comparison. I'll throw some pictures up in an update video, and we'll see what happens, see if we can see any visible difference. But you can see how tight that the pleating is on this. It's supposed to be electrostatically charged, so it'll catch lots of stuff, and we'll try to see if there's any discernible difference between this one and the reusable one. This reusable one I think was about, if I had to guess, it was around the $50 mark. So I mean, by the time you buy two of these, you've bought this one, and I don't know, we'll see what it does. My thought was that I could take this washable filter, we could actually put it into this, because this is 16 by 25 as well, and instead of having maybe this pre-wash filter on here, I could replace it with the other one from my furnace, or these ones here, because I have to keep buying them. I'll swap those out and use that that washable filter. So we'll see what happens. So hope you guys and girls liked the video. If you did, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Leave some comments down there why you didn't like it. Leave your questions down there. Think about hitting subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.